बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 7 सब्जेक्ट और पास्ट topic is let us recall, that means exercise of chapter number 3, Delhi, the Delhi Sultans, page number 43. Question number 1 is, which ruler first established his or her capital at Delhi? Which ruler first established his or her capital at Delhi? Its answer is Tomara Rajputs first established their capital at Delhi. Tomara Rajputs first established their capital at Delhi. Or we can say Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under the Tomara Rajputs. Question number 2. What was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans? Persian. Its answer is Persian was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans. We can say the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans was Persian. Question number 3. In whose reign did the Sultanate reach the farthest extent? Its answer is the Sultanate reached its farthest extent in Muhammad Tughlaq's reign. Or we can say during or in Muhammad Tughlaq's reign, the Sultanate reached its farthest extent. Question number 4. From which country did Ibn Battuta travel to India? Its answer is Ibn Battuta traveled to India from Morocco, Africa. Question number 5. According to the circle of justice, why was it important for military commanders to keep the interests of the peasantry in mind? According to the circle of justice, why was it important for military commanders to keep the interests of the peasantry in mind? Its answer is, according to the circle of justice, it was important for military commanders to keep the interests of the peasantry in mind because the salaries of the military commanders came from the revenue collected from peasants. Again, according to the circle of justice, it was important for military commanders to keep the interests of the peasantry in mind because the salaries of the military commanders came from the revenue collected from peasants. Question number 6. What is meant by internal and external frontiers of the Sultanate? Its answer is internal frontier. It was the first set of campaigns of the Sultanate aimed at consolidating the hinterlands of the garrison towns. External frontier, the set of campaigns or expansions and military expeditions into southern India started during the reign of Alauddin Khilji and culminated with Muhammad Tughlaq. Again, internal frontier, it was the first set of campaigns of the Sultanate that aimed at consolidating the hinterlands of the garrison towns. External frontier, the set of expansion and military expeditions into southern India started during the reign of Alauddin Khilji and culminated with Muhammad Tughlaq. Dear students, it is sufficient for you today. Have a nice day.